Seriously, who wouldn't want to grab that must-have item on eBay now and pay for it later in easy chunks? Using Afterpay on eBay is incredibly simple, and it lets you spread the cost of your purchases over time, making those dream items suddenly much more achievable. First, make sure you have an Afterpay account set up. If you don't, it's a quick and easy process to sign up on their website or app. Once that's done, head over to eBay as you normally would and find the perfect item you want to buy as you're browsing. Look for items that explicitly mention Afterpay as a payment option. You'll usually see the Afterpay logo displayed prominently near the price or the Buy It Now button. When you've added your item to the cart and are ready to check out, proceed through the standard eBay checkout process. At the payment stage, you'll see a list of available payment methods. Simply select Afterpay from the options provided. Once you've chosen Afterpay, you'll be prompted to review your payment plan. Afterpay will show you exactly how much your first payment will be and when your subsequent payments are due. This typically involves 4 equal installments paid every 2 weeks. It's a clear upfront breakdown so you know precisely what to expect. Confirm the details and authorize the payment. It's usually a quick confirmation process depending on your existing Afterpay account setup, and just like that, your purchase is complete. Your item will be shipped by the seller just as if you had paid in full, and your Afterpay payments will be automatically debited according to the schedule. It's a fantastic way to manage your budget while still indulging in those eBay finds you love. So next time you're browsing eBay, remember Afterpay can make your shopping experience even more flexible and affordable. Happy shopping!